Right, let's have a look at Mr. Dube's gate motor. Again, just want to push it so that the sun shines on it and one can see it. Serial number has been engraved. It's a gate motor serial number. Obviously a brand new motor. Let's turn this. Right, you can see anti-theft ear and bolt has been welded together. You cannot weld the bolt and the nut. That's not going to work. They just break it off. Then the extra precautionary measure that we take is 25 by 5 flat bar that's welded in at the bottom. Then we have engraved the gate motor serial number onto the gate motor. Let's move on. Right, on the other side, the steel nuts are again welded to the ears. And then if I lift it up again, you can see it at the bottom, 5 by 25 flat that's been welded in. You're not going to unbolt this gate motor, you're going to cut it off. That's good. Right, there we go. Right, on the left hand side, gate motor has been welded down. On the front side, you can see proper welding. We have a steel support in there just to minimize any vibrations there could possibly be. And on this side, properly welded down. Right, finally done with the installation. Right, let's test it. You can see that the gate motor is standing absolutely still. That's exactly what you want. On another view, the gate motor is parallel with the steel sliding gate. There must be no vibration on the gate motor. It must stand dead still while operating the sliding gate.